Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable guidelines in Canva. So, if you are a beginner and have just started designing graphics, creating documentation, or editing videos in Canva, you might want to add guidelines. To add guidelines, or set a new dimension for your template or page, go to File, located on the top left corner. Click File, and then go to Settings. Here, you can add a guide. Just click on it, and it will give you options like 12 columns, 3 columns, or a 3x3 grid. You can also customize your guides. Just add a guide, and it will appear here. After that, you can create whatever you like. So, this is how your guides will be added to your pages. In a similar way, you can enable and customize guides for your page. Yeah, that's it! Enjoy designing and creating anything you want in Canva.